how to create an outdoor adventure and travel gear website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here it will take us to browsing through a wide range of templates to make the job easier for us. Those are pre-made templates that we can just change. So you just need to change some text and add your logo and change the footer, and then you will have your own website ready for going public. And here you have the blank template for those who want to build their own website from scratch without any help. So this is where you can do that. So let's scroll to the top, and here we can filter by the type of the website, if it's an online store or a portfolio or it's about memberships. And also you can filter by the topic, if it's about art and design or photography or health and beauty or outdoor adventure and travel gear for us in this case. So let's see, here it is, we have the travel section. So let's click on travel to see if we can find something about the traveling gear. So let's see what this platform offers. So I don't think there is anything about the travel gear. So I think I'm just going to use this Squarespace theme or template. So I will click on preview Squarespace to see the website or the theme or the template. Click on view demo site and you can check it in here. So mostly I like the color and the fonts. I will change the shape of the buttons. Also I will change these pictures to my own pictures or my products pictures, and that's it. I guess this one meets my requirements. I will just change the product pictures and it's good to go. So I'm going to click on start with this design, and I will wait for them to set things up for me. It will take just seconds. Then they will request a title for the website. So you can just type in your niche's name and then click on continue. After that you click on close to close these tabs, we don't need them anymore. And in your left we have a lot of sections that we are going to go through and explain each one of them. So let's start with website, and basically it's where you can manage your pages, change the ones that you already have, delete them or add new ones if you're not satisfied with the ones that you already have. Then we have the commerce section, and it's where you can manage your orders, inventory, customers and discounts. You can also add new products or change the ways that you want to get paid with, or if you want more ways to sell like memberships or custom merch. Let's go back to home and let's proceed to the third section, which is marketing. And from its name it's pretty obvious, it talks about everything that is related to growing your audience, from email campaigns to SEO appearance to promotional pop-up to meta pixels and ads and so on. Then we have the scheduling section. It's where you can adjust your calendar and set your availability time for your clients to book appointments with you or meetings with you. Then we have the asset library, and it's where you can save your files and drag them and drop them in here like images or pictures to use them later on while designing your website. Then we have the asset library that we just saw, and we have the analytics, and it's where you can see your dashboard and your data from your revenue, units sold, orders, conversion rate, sales, traffic and geography. So you can pretty much see all of that in the analytics section. Then we have the profiles section, and it's where you can see your clients' profiles. You can adjust them or delete someone's profile if you don't want that profile anymore. So you can do all of that in the profiles. Then you have the settings, and it's where you can set up your domain name and your Google Workspace. You can also change the site's availability from private to public. You can also change the site's languages, and you can also set your payment processors in the store payments. You can connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or you can connect also your Square account if you are from the United States only, and you can change your currency from the United States dollar to any other currency you like. And that's it for the settings section. Let's go back to home and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit button. This page will expand to give us more space to focus on editing our template. So as you can see in here, by clicking on this button, you will be able to change the site's header. As you can see, you can add a logo and change the site's title, element, style, if you want it to be in fixed position or not. So you can pretty much adjust all of these things. And by scrolling down to the bottom, you can also edit the footer of your page. As you can see, you can edit the text blocks, change these pages and so on. You can also change the social links. So you can pretty much do all of that. And also you can change everything in between those two. So everything in between you can change it. As you can see, you can change the text, headlines, you can change the shape of the button or anything that is typed inside it. You can change the pictures. So you can change everything in the template, so it's pretty adjustable. And also you can change the styles of your template. You can change the fonts, colors, animations and spacing. You can also change the buttons and the image blocks from these styles. So let's close this one. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. So see you in other videos, and leave us a like and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends to support us.